let me just actually go ahead and introduce myself. So my name is Mark Whiteley, and I'm a proud father of 4, and I also have 1 grandchild. Now, as you are well aware, and you probably can imagine, just how busy life gets, especially when you've got 4 children and my 1 grandchild's living with us as well. So it's difficult to be everywhere at once, right? For me, it was hard to monitor what my children were doing on their mobiles and computers, as they were always on them and at all hours of the night. Not only that, because of me needing to work, they all had to catch buses to different activities, to and from school as well. Now, whether you're like me and you need a way to keep your family safe or monitor what they're doing on their mobiles and computers, or whether you are suspicious of a loved one being unfaithful, or even if you're an employer who hands out company phones and is paying the bills, it really doesn't matter what the reason. The solution that I found can help you as well. Let me explain. Around 5 years ago, I was recommended to try a new type of software that could monitor a phone and was also undetectable. Basically, I was having problems with my eldest child. I needed to find out what was going on with certain calls happening after midnight. So I ended up reaching out to a friend, and I was recommended to try this new software. So for the next 6 months, I tried lots of them, and I found most to be basically way too expensive. They really wanted me to pay a monthly payment. I couldn't do it. The others just flat out didn't work. It wasn't until I came across a couple that actually did everything that it said it would. Now, one was a little too expensive to keep up, so I ended up sticking with just the one that only cost me once, right? So this one only cost, and it was super cheap as well. Now, the app that I use is called Highster Mobile, and they've just released their latest version. Now, a lot of people ask me if it actually works and what it does, like the details. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a video that I actually created where I answered this exact question. Now, at any stage, if you want to get access to Highster Mobile and get it for a one-time price, which I must say was hard to find, you won't find it anywhere, then simply you can click one of the buttons below. Not only that, you'll receive Highster Mobile and you'll receive it at the cheapest possible price, but you'll also receive my exclusive bonuses. That's going to help you out even more. Now, I'm going to go over that in just a second, so stick around. How are you going? I'm getting this question a lot about the self-spy app called Highster Mobile, and what I wanted to do today is just give you a quick rundown of what it is. And people ask the question, does it really work? One, it works. All right, I use it personally. I've got 4 children. I monitor those children using it basically so I can keep them safe, find out what they're doing online. All the kids these days have got mobile phones. They've got tablets, iPads, the whole show, right? They're on it. There's all sorts of unsafe stuff online, so I use it so I can keep track of exactly what they're up to as well. With my older kids, they're out and about. I like to keep track of them via GPS so I can know where they are, if they're safe, if they're supposed to be at school, are they actually at school, they met the movies with their friends when they said they were, stuff like that. So it really, really helps me to keep an eye on them and just keep my family safe. You can't be everywhere at once, and it's fantastic for parents. So yes, it does work. It works on all iPhones, iOS. It works on all Androids. It works on even Windows phones. It's easy to install, and the best part is it's a one-time payment. Now, all the others, I've tried tons, right? And all the others want to charge you, a monthly fee, right? But this one, it is a one-time cost, and it's fantastic, and it works. It's easy to install, and they've got a pretty good support compared to all the other ones as well. So it's fantastic. Now, I've even been able to get you a bit of a discount. So if you're looking at getting it, what I suggest you do is you click on either of the links, go and have a look at the actual product, see all the features, all the fantastic stuff that it can do, and then go ahead and grab it. Like I said, it's a one-time price, and it's easy to install. You'll get a license key, you'll get everything given to you. Go ahead and use it and keep your family safe, and you can find out what's exactly going on, especially if you've got some queries about what's going on behind your back, so you can use it for that as well. So go ahead, check out Highster Mobile. I'll give it 100% 2 thumbs up recommendation. Try it now. Here's a money back guarantee on it as well, and it's damn cheap, right? Especially with the discount. So go check it out, and I hope this video helps. Hey there, welcome back. Hopefully that video there was a little bit enlightening. That was something I recorded a few years back, and I still use it. It's fantastic. Now I use it for my next round of children going through into their teenage years. Okay, so right below the video, you're going to be seeing what your seeing right now on screen. There's a few different options here, and I want to quickly show you the bonuses so you don't miss out on these bonuses, because they're really going to help you. Doesn't really matter what it is that you're using Highster Mobile for, they're still going to help you out, rightio? So at any stage that you want to get Highster Mobile and you want to claim my bonuses, all you got to do is just click on this button here, this text here, either one of these there will take you to Highster Mobile. You grab it, and there's instructions at the bottom of this page that tell you how to claim those bonuses, and they get sent to you immediately. Okay, the other thing I recommend you do is subscribe to my channel. So I'm going to be bringing out more and more different videos on YouTube, and you'll be able to check those out as well, right? So go ahead, click that, subscribe to my channel, make sure you hit that bell icon too, that way you get notified of my next video. Right, yeah, let's get into the bonuses. So on top of getting Highster Mobile, not only do you get that obviously, but when you do and you grab it through any of those links on the page, you're going to get cyber security, right? It's a full guide to internet safety. I found it fantastic, and I'm giving it to you guys completely free. I did pay for it, it's $27. It's basically the ultimate guide to keeping your family safe online. All the little tricks and things that you can do with the certain softwares and apps and things like that that's on there that you can use to even increase the security on your computers and your children's computers and employees' computers and your partner's computers, all that sort of stuff, right? Fantastic. You get that free as well. Bonus number 2, right? So this is for those people that are, under the suspicion that maybe their partner is being unfaithful, and this is a really, really good ebook. I read through it, so I didn't actually have that issue myself, but I did find that this ebook here has some fantastic little tricks and things that you would, signs that you want to look for if you do feel that your partner may be cheating or being unfaithful, and then some stuff in here that you wouldn't think of, right? So it's really, really cool. It's $19, radio. I actually purchased that one for you guys, and you can have that for free as well. Bonus number 3, okay, these are cool articles for parents. If you've got teenagers, it's nutty these days, right? They're getting pushed and pulled, influenced, all sorts of stuff. They basically been almost raised online, with computers and their mobile phones and their tablets, the gaming, all this sort of stuff, right? So if you're a parent and you need a little bit of a motivating help concerning, you're concerned about your teenagers, obviously, then this is excellent. It's a whole bunch of articles that really discuss different risk taking that teenagers take, why they take it, and how you can combat that without butting heads with your teenagers, because that doesn't matter what you say, you're wrong. All right, so this is fantastic. Once again, you get that free. So you're going to get all of this stuff completely free when you go ahead and grab Highster Mobile today from any of these buttons right here. Okay, when you do grab it, okay, and I recommend you get it ASAP because it's a one-time price now. They've already moved over a lot of the options for it's only monthly, right? Monthly costs, but I've managed to find the one-time payment. I don't know how long it'll last for, so be quick, grab it because it's one time. Once you do that, you just send me an email. You just put your receipt in the email, and you send it to my email address right here. Okay, I'll just pause it there for a second. And then you just basically, I send you the bonuses directly, get sent straight back to you, all ready for you to grab. Okay, simple as that. So go ahead, grab Highster Mobile now, send me that email, and I'll get the bonuses sent to you straight away. All right, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.